Now before starting the class, I will check voice also. Okay. Before starting the class, I will check the voice. Voice is okay or not? Wait. Okay. Integration of voice is okay. Integration of dx divided by how much? X to power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now today I will discuss now. Hello everyone, today I will start lecture, okay, on the base of. Now first question is integration of dx divided by x to power 4 plus x square plus 1. Okay, so how can do this type of problem? I have already say if numerator and denominator x to power even power is available, okay, means x square divide x square plus something divided by x to power 4 plus x square plus constant something given constant, then always divide by x square numerator and denominator, then you can convert x plus minus 1 upon x is t, then after that we focus on differentiation. Okay, now look here, how can solve this type of problem? If you see very carefully, no x square available in numerator, so how can made? Okay, simply first of all written 1 by 2. If written 1 by 2 into, so this is 1 plus 1 x square adding and 1 is minus 1 x square subtracting. Okay, so how much? What about that value? Simply look here, x square adding and x square subtracting, then we got simply 2 divided by 2, so basically that part is 1. Okay, 1 upon, if after solving we got same value, then what is the advantage? Look here very carefully, 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x square upon x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx, and that one written integration of 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square into dx, okay, divided by how much? X to power 4 plus x square plus 1. Okay, very carefully, look here very carefully. Now after that, this one consider I1 and this one consider I2. You can solve individually. After that, these two value put here in equation number 1 and then find the answer. Okay, so how can I achieve this target? Look here very carefully, simply focus on that part. I1 is basically how much? I1 is basically how much? 1 by 2. This one written 1 plus x square upon x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. Look, numerator and denominator here even power, so using which concept? Divide by x square in numerator and denominator, then this one written 1 by 2 into simply 1 plus 1 by x square into dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, Clear? If you divide by x square, then x square plus 1 upon x square. So in serial wise, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Okay. Now look here. This one is a differentiation of, if let x minus 1 upon x is t, then differentiation of this one written dt. Okay, this one basically replaced to dt. And what about that value? Squaring both sides, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2, this will be equal to t square. So how much? X square plus 1 upon x square is written as t square plus 2. So you can say that x square plus 1 by x square, this will be equal to t square plus 2. Okay, now look here, 1 by 2 into that value replaced to dt. So simply written dt divided by how much? T square plus 2 plus 1. So you can say that 1 by 2 into dt divided by how much? T square plus 3. 3 is also written as root 3 to the whole square. I know that integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is how much? 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a plus c. Okay. Basically, if integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is given, then that one written simply 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a plus c. So what about that value? T basically x and a is basically root 3. So you can write now here very simple way, 1 by 2 into 1 by a is basically 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 into tan inverse t divided by how much? Root 3 plus c1. Okay, now so 2 root 3 into tan inverse t basically how much? X minus 1 upon x. So you can say that x minus 1 upon x by root 3 plus c1. Okay. Now after that we have focus on I2. Okay. This one is I1. So we have focus on next one. How can find I2? Look here very carefully. I2 is given how much? 1 by 2 1 minus x square into dx divided by how much? X to power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now look here, again divide by how much? X square and also minus common, then we got how much? If divide by x square, then 1 by x square minus 1. If minus common, then that one written minus 1 upon x square dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Now look, x plus 1 upon x, this is equal to p. So 1 minus 1 upon x square dx replaced to dp. Okay, so you can say that minus 1 by 2, that one replaced to dp divided by how much? This one written x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, plus 2, this will be equal to p square. So x square plus 1 upon x square, this will be equal to p square minus 2. Okay, now look here, written here p square minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 integration of dp divided by p square minus 1. So that one written minus half into 1 by 2a, a is 1 into log of p minus 1 upon p plus 1 plus c2. Okay. After that, this one written minus 1 by 4 into log of p is how much? X plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus C2. Look here, minus 1 upon 4 into log of this one, x square minus x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 plus C2. Now these two value put in equation number 1. Okay. So I is how much? I1. I1 is basically 1 upon 2 root 3 into tan inverse. What about that value? X square minus 1 upon root 3 into x. Okay. And I2 is minus 1 by 4 into log of x square minus x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 plus C1 plus C2. This how much? C is the right answer. Make it. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. If anyone face any doubt, okay, I will explain again. Look here very carefully. Question is given, integration of dx divided by x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 is given. Then how can solve? Simply look here. If numerator and denominator are available corresponding to even power of x square, then you can solve very easy way. Divide by x square, numerator and denominator, then you can solve. And after that, basically if you divide by x square, then you can, in denominator you can form got how much? X plus 1 by x to the whole, and in denominator make x plus 1 by x to the whole square or x minus 1 upon x to the whole square. Okay, but here not given, so how can make? Okay, so first of all, here 1 by 2, simply you can multiply 2 and divide by 2, then we got how much? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 is written as 1 plus 1 and also adding and subtracting x square. So x square adding, x square subtracting, then we got how much? Like that one, these two. So if you consider I1, here I2, that is equation number 1. You can solve individually I1, I2. Okay, I1 is that one, so if divided by x square, then we got like that one. So if x minus 1 upon x is t, then that one dt, so replace to dt, and here this one written t square plus 2, so we got like that one. So finally 1 upon 2 root 3 tan inverse t upon root 3. So here x square minus 1 upon root 3 plus c1. After that we focus on second part. 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus x square dx divided by x to power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now if x square divided by x square, then we got like that one, and also minus 1 common. After that, here look, x plus 1 upon x is p, then this one dp, and x square plus 1 upon x square replaced to p square minus 2. So put that value and we got how much, like that one. After that apply formula, 1 upon 2a into log p minus 1 upon p plus 1 plus c, RARC2, new constant C2. After that p replaced to x plus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x, then we got how much, simply like that one. Okay, now these two value I2 and I1, these two value put here, these two value put here in equation number 1, I1 I2 put here, then we got final answer like that one. Okay, make it. After that I will focus on next problem. First of all, make it. Problem number 2. Integration of dx divided by how much, x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 is given. Then how can solve this type of problem? Simply, once again, in numerator not x square available, so how can make 1 by 2 multiply and divide by 2, and here 1 plus x square adding and 1 minus x square subtracting, divide by how much, x to power 4 minus x square plus 1. Look here, this one 1 by 2, 1 plus x square divided by x to power 4 minus x square plus 1, here dx, okay, plus half of integration of 1 minus x square upon x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, that is I. This one is I1 and that is I2. Here I1 and here I2, and this one consider equation number 1. After that we are focused on 1 by 1. Let this one 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square divided by x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx is given. If x divided by x square in numerator and denominator, then how much, this one written how much, 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, okay, and here also x square common, then x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Okay, look here, let x minus 1 upon x is common, taken t, then 1 plus 1 upon x square dx replace to dt. Okay, so that value is written 1 by 2 integration of dt divided by how much, here squaring both sides, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square is written as t square plus 2. So that one written t square plus 3. So you can say that 2 into 1 by root 3 into tan inverse root 3, t divided by root 3 plus c1, or you can say that 1 upon 2 root 3 into tan inverse t, basically how much, x minus 1 upon x divided by root 3 into c1, or if you simplify, then we got 2 root 3 into tan inverse how much, x square minus 1 upon root 3 into x plus c1. That is I1. I hope so clear. If anyone face any doubt, then comment it, sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step I will discuss again. Okay. t square plus 2, so basically here 1, silly mistake here 1, so that one is 1, here 1, so 1 upon 1, okay, and that one basically t simply, and here also simply this one, and clear. Now next target, and oh sorry, and also this one remove root 3, and here remove root 3, silly mistake here, simply t square plus 2 adding, then here minus 1, so t square plus 2 minus 1, that is t square plus 1, so that is t square plus 1, so finally like that one. Okay, I hope so clear. Now after that we have focus on next problem. Okay, I2, how can determine I2? Look here, I2 is how much? 1 by 2, again divide by, or you can say common x square, so minus x square common, then return how much? 1 minus 1 by x square into dx, divide by how much? If here x square common, then x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Okay, now look here, let x plus 1 upon x, this be equal to p, so 1 minus 1 upon x square dx replace to dp. Okay, after that minus half into, what about that value? dp. But what about that value? If multiply both sides, squaring both sides, then we got how much? p square minus 2. So here basically p square minus 2, so minus 2 and minus 1, that is minus 3. So you can say the minus 2 into dp divided by how much? p square minus root 3 to the whole square. Or you can say that, what about that one? Minus 2 into 2a, 2 into root 3 into log of modulus of p minus root 3 divided by p plus root 3 plus c2. Okay. After that you can say that this one written minus 1 upon 4 root 3 into log of p is how much? What about p? P basically x plus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x minus root 3 divided by x plus 1 upon x plus root 3 plus c2. Now these two value I1, I2 put here in equation number 1. Then final answer is how much? 1 by 2 into tan inverse how much? X minus 1 upon x plus, not plus, minus, basically minus 1 upon 4 root 3 into log of modulus of x plus 1 upon x minus root 3 divided by x plus 1 upon x plus root 3 plus c1 plus c2 is replaced to c. Okay, c1 c2 replaced to c. Okay, I hope so clear. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, I will discuss again. Now, question is that given integration of dx divided by x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 is given, then how can solve this type of problem? Simply this one, if multiply by 2 and divide by 2 and also adding x square and minus x square, subtracting adding x square and subtracting x minus x square, then we got how much? Like that one. After that, look here very carefully, half into here 1 plus x square plus half into 1 minus x square divided by denominator, like that one. Look here, we have focused on I1 and after that I2. I1 is how much? Half, like that one. If x square common, numerator and denominator, then this one written like that one. After that, look here very carefully. This part, 1 plus 1 upon x square is given into dx is given. So it means, what is the meaning of that one? Simply, if x minus 1 upon x is t, then 1 plus 1 upon x square dx replace to dt. Okay. So you can say that x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to t square plus 2. So that one replace to t square plus 2. So that one t square plus 2 minus 1 is how much? T square plus 1. After that, simply 1 by 2 into tan inverse t, and t basically x minus 1 upon x, so written like that one, and final answer that one. Okay, now we have focus on second part, I2. I2 is written minus half into, if x square common, 1 minus 1 upon x square dx divided by x square common, then here x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Okay, look here, x square cancel, minus half into dp divided integration of dp divided by p square minus, what about that value? If this one is p, so squaring both sides, then we got x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to p square minus 2. So that value put here, then we got p square minus 3. Okay, so minus half into dp divided by p square minus root 3 to the whole square. After that, integration of this one, log of p minus root 3 divided by p plus root 3 plus c2. After that, look here, integrate p, put, what about p? P basically x plus 1 upon x, then we got like that one. Now this is I2. Now I1 and I2 put here in question number 1, then we got final answer like that. Okay, I hope so clear. Now we have focus on next problem. X square upon x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx. How can solve? That is question number 3. Integration of x square dx divided by x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 is given. Then how can solve this type of problem? Okay. Look here very carefully. How can solve this type of problem? Simply look here. Here numerator and denominator even power x to power even power available, but if 1 by multiply 1 by 2, then and also adding 1 and minus 1, subtracting, so this one written like that one. I hope so clear. Look here, 1 by 2 integration of 1 plus x square divided by x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx, and here 1 by 2 into integration of x square minus 1 upon x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx. Clear? Very simple. Now this one consider I1 and this one consider I2. So we have focus on 1 by 1, I1 and I2. I1 is here I1 is written half into integration of 1 plus x square dx divided by x to power 4 minus x square plus 1. Now if divide by x square, then this one is 1 upon 1 by x square into dx divided by how much? X square plus 1 upon x square minus 1, sorry, plus 1, wait, minus 1. Okay, after that let x minus 1 upon x is t, so 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, this is dt, this one replace to dt. Okay, so you can say that, and also squaring both sides, this is equal to t square, so x square plus 1 upon x square, this is equal to t square plus 2. So half into this one written dt divided by, what about that value? Simply t square plus 2. So t square plus 2 minus 1. You can say that half into dt divided by how much? T square plus 1. Then what about that value? 1 by 2 into tan inverse t. And that one written tan inverse t basically t basically how much? X minus 1 upon x plus c1. Okay, we have focus on, so we got 1 by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 upon x plus c1. Now after that we have focus on c2, sorry, next I2. Okay, this one I2 is how much? Look here very carefully, half into integration of x square minus 1 upon x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx. So now look here, if x square is common, then that one written 1 minus 1 upon x square, and that one written x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Look here, let x plus 1 upon x, this is equal to p. So if differentiate, then we got how much? Dx, this is equal to dp. Okay, now squaring both sides, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, so p square minus 2 basically. So here put here p square minus 2, and here minus 1 already available, so 1 by 2 into dp divided by how much? P square minus root 3 to the whole square. After that this one written 1 upon 2a, 2 into a is root 3, so 2 root 3 into log of p minus root 3 divided by p plus root 3 plus c2. P basically how much? X plus 1 upon x, so you can say that 1 upon 4 root 3 into log of p basically how much? X plus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x, and this one minus root 3 divided by x plus 1 upon x plus root 3 plus c2. Okay, now after that focus on, now these two value put in equation number 1. In equation number 1, so I is how much? I1 basically we got how much? half into tan inverse x minus 1 upon x, and that one plus 1 by 4 into root 3 into log of how much, x plus 1 upon x minus root 3 divided by x plus 1 upon x plus root 3 plus c1. c1 plus c2 replace to another constant c. Okay, c1 plus c2 replace to another constant c. So that's why written like that one. I hope so clear. Make it. So first of all make it, after that I will explain again. Right now. Okay. Now I will explain again. Here question is given, integration of x square upon x to power 4 minus x square plus 1 is given. Then how can you integrate? Simply, if 1 by 2 multiply by 2 into divide by 2, then we got how much? 1 by 2, then how much? 2x square upon whatever be the value, and also 1 adding and 1 subtracting. Then we got how much? 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square plus x square minus 1. What is the advantage? Now you can use individually 1 plus x square upon denominator, and here x square minus 1 upon denominator dx. So if this one is I1 and that is I2. Okay, so you can solve individually I1 and I2. I1 written like that one. Look, if x square common, then this one written like that one. After that, look, numerator is given 1 plus 1 upon x square dx. Basically this one is a integration of x minus 1 upon x is t, then different, if this one integrate, then we got how much? X minus 1 upon x. So you can say that x minus 1 upon x is like a t. So dt like that one. So after that, in denominator x square plus 1 upon x square is given. So if squaring both side, if this one is squaring both side, then we got how much? X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2, this will be equal to t square. So that one written t square plus 2. So this one replaced to t square plus 2, and here minus 1. So t square plus 1, and integration of this one simply 1 by 2 tan inverse t. T basically here x minus 1 upon x plus c1. Next target, here c1 also adding. We have focus on I2. I2 is how much? 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 upon x to power 4 minus x square plus 1. So written like that one. If x square common, then we got like that one. After that, again, look, if this one integrate, so we got x plus 1 upon x. It means this one is taken p. So differentiation of this one dp. After that, squaring both sides, then we got a p square minus 2. Basically x square plus 1 upon x square replaced to p square minus 2. So replace to that one. Then we got how much? 1 by 2 dp divided by p square. 3 is written as root 3 to the whole square. I know that formula of integration of dx divided by x square minus a square is given. So 1 by 2a into log of modulus of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So here x basically p and a is basically root 3. So put that value and we got like that one, and p after that p replaced to x plus 1 upon x, then final answer like that one. Now these two value I1 and I2 put in equation number 1, then we got final answer like that one. Okay, make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it, sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step. I will describe again.